Welcome. Today I'll show you how to verify all the contracts and that everything's trustless and immutable on the blockchain with the new TELATOMIC Swaps. So I guess the best place to start is with the Tele index, so you can see that I cannot update that, and that's what loads everything that you're seeing now. So I head over to the wallet, and so this is the contract address that you need. So you just copy that, go to the Explorer, paste that in, and you can see here that it was installed with a ring size of 4, which means that the contract doesn't know that or who the owner is. So that means I can't update it. So this would be like how you would update it, but it doesn't know who I am, so I can't update that. And that's what loads all the files here. These are all the different documents that load up when you load the tele page. So to verify the atomic swap contracts, like you can start a swap, and when you install it, you can go here and copy the contract address and check it out in here. You can see the contract easily with dero. So you go here and you can see there's the contract installed. In this case, let's see, that would probably be the 2-day one or the 1-day one. Yeah. Alright. Let's see, is that the maker one? Yeah. So anyway, there's the 1-day contract. And this would be a 2-day contract, and that's on Pulse Chain, so we can go to the Pulse Chain Explorer. Oop, that's not the one I wanted. There we go. So you take that. It's actually the creation transaction ID, so you go here and then you can see the contract. But what you want to do here, if you want to verify that it's the right kind of contract, or the correct one with the right binary that went in and all that, where is it? Let's see, this is the input. Let's see. So anyway, what you can do is you go to the contracts here. I made a GitHub. Okay. And so this is for Solidity contracts. I think we're looking at the 2-day one, so go down to that. Make sure when you compile it, it's the correct settings and all. So you can go over to Remix and put that in there. Paste it in, save it, whatever. You got to set the settings here and make sure the EVM version is right. Compile it, and you can compare it. So let's see, we got the bytecode. So you would take the bytecode, go to let's see, text compare or something. There we go. We'll put that in here. That's that bytecode, and then we got to find it on the project here. So let's see, you can get it this way. Should be able to get it when it loads. Let me reload it. Alright, so you got the 2 contracts here. So I think we're looking at the 2-day one. Go in here. You can also get it through the Explorer by putting the one of the document things in there. I think it's, it'll be the last one. Oop. Let's see, it should be the last one. Get it here. Oop. What did I do? Oh, that's right. That's a hex encoded, so I'd have to decode that first, then put it in here. Anyway, let me get back to this. Okay, so anyway, we have the one that I just compiled here for a 2-day contract. You can see that's, you know, the comment's wrong, but that's 2 days. And alright, where are we getting from? We're getting from here. Let's see. View source. Preview. There we go. That's the 2-day contract. Let's grab that. It's not going to be the same because it needs an OX, I think, on the end. No, that's right. Let's check it out and see if there's any differences here. Looks, oh, that is different. What's going on here? Maybe I got the wrong one. Let's see. Try that again. Oh, I think I know what happened. Maybe not. Huh. What am I doing here? Is this really the 2-day one? Let's see. That should be the 2-day one. What have I done here? Oh no. That's 2-day contract. Huh. How could it be different? What the hell's going on here? That's weird. Why is that not the right one? What happened here? Oh, I see. I forgot something. Okay, let's try that again with everything we need. Maybe it'll work. Save it. Compile it. Get the bytecode. Alright, now let's see here. Now that's more like it. Alright, no changes. Cool. So that's how you would, check the 2-day contract. You want to do the same thing for the 1-day, you can do that. You'll have to look in the code, but you'll see that those are the only contracts. This is where the dero contracts are. They're both in one file because they're not bytecode and they fit. So you can, check to see where that's used in the rest of the files if you want. We can check out like the source here if you want to, and show you some more of the security stuff. Like we're using Web3, it's the last version. I don't know how long it'll last, but it's working for now. It's integrity checked, so it can't change. Changes, it won't work. And then down here, in case there was caching issues, like if you close a page and open up a new one, sometimes it would cache the previous stuff, so I just automatically load the scripts fresh every time with a little random number at the end, so it's always loaded fresh, it's always safe. And that's how you can verify the contracts. You can also check out the index contract, which is where you post them to, so you can communicate back and forth between users. Where are we going here? Check that out. So yeah, you can see there's no update code anywhere to be found here. Anyway, if you have any questions, you could probably find me somewhere. I may make another one that goes into more details if people don't believe me or something. But It's all there, immutable on the blockchain, perfectly safe atomic swaps between Pulse chain and Dero. So, hope you have a great day. Thanks for checking it out. Bye.